you're a football enthusiast or a crypto enthusiast, this is for you. Combining that plus fun NFT metaverse sides, this is one of the coolest projects of the year. So guys, I'm going to go through this. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, do this for education purposes only, but I promise you, you're going to know some of the faces and it's going to help you when you come to invest into this token. So let's get into this right now. GoalPlay.pro is that website that I'm taking you to, guys. This is absolutely insane. You can train like a champion and earn the glory, but more importantly, I think it's a really cool project. Now, if you can see who this is, please let me know in the comments. Okay, I'll give you the answer in about 20 seconds. But it means that we are talking business. Now, as we go down, I'm going to tell you a little bit about why I think this is actually a really cool project, and also why a lot of YouTubers are speaking about it right now, not just me. Okay, guys, so let's get into this. Okay, so I'm going to come back up to the presale token goal and characters in just a minute. Okay, I'm going to mute this, but give you a little view. This is their promo video that you can see on here. All right, basically a football pitch going in. You start to see this player, which is Lionel Messi there. If you said in the comments, well done. All right, coming out onto the pitch and basically saying, I am ready for goal play. Someone is going to bless him. If you know who that is, let me in the comments. It is Zinedine Zidane. Okay, there's massively famous people in this, and it is going crazy online. So this carries on. Okay, Messi goes on. He scores loads of goals. There's women in there cheerleading. Everything you want to see basically in a promo video. All right, but the unique thing about this is there is unique characters. Now you can see all different people, and they've got, of course, different names. We've got almost Messi, we've got Cristiano Ronaldo, Kylian Mbappe. Okay, we have Zinedine Zidane. Okay, all coming on, and they're all playing a unique part. That's what brings me to this. So the pre-sale characters and the pre-sale token. The whitelist for the characters, all right, is going to be 20th of July. There is 4 days for that to go out on the whitelist. Okay, the public is going to be the 26th. Now the public for the pre-sale token is going to be 27th of July, and the public, you can see your local time rolling down here. Okay, so please go on and make sure you've got the right times. Now let's go a little bit deeper into this. So I want to go through some of the features as we look at the roadmap, because phase 1 says the founding, team formation, initial expansion through analysis of the crypto GameFi market, development and business plan, setup of legal and operation, project structure, and tokenomic design. But actually doesn't even mention just yet in the roadmap their key strengths, which is you can earn in game with the true play to earn system, which I'll touch on. Get up to 100x on the token if you're among the first to get in, which is what it should say in phase 1 here. Okay, so I'm going to tell you, you can get up to 100x, guys, in phase if you get in early. Now in phase 2, they're kicking off social media, going all the way through, as you can see, penalty game launch and much more. In October to November, they're going to be going in free with the NFT leagues are launching, the 11 versus 11 football game releases and much more. And December, talking about the metaverse development, which everybody wants to see. Now, a lot of people are backing this. Sibinar, BitGet, CoinGecko, CryptoSale, okay, all the biggest in the space. But it doesn't really even give justice to how cool this project is. Now, if you go to guide and actually scroll down and have a look, it's going to give you more in depth, all right? A guide of how you can actually get in and play this game. Talking about the long-term sustainability inside of the metaverse, okay? Obviously, I'm not going to read word for word everything on here, because what that'll do is bore you, and I don't want to do that. I want to show you how cool this is. But some of the points I'm going to point out is the farming trainer and trainer, which is really cool. Guys, all right, it all starts on the training pitch. After you get your players from the marketplace, you can send them to trainers often as you like, and that is going to help access and evolve your player. Okay, you're going to be using as a coach these actual metaverse players that you see on TV all the time. Okay, getting involved and making sure that your NFT just grows. So they're going further. It's not just NFT characters and certain items that will be protected. Okay, there's going to be much more, and it tells you all that here. So if you want to get in and you're coming in purely for making the money, hold and win like a champion. Okay, you want to hold and win like a champion. If you hold for 7 days, your staking is going to go to 6%, 15 days is going to give 14, 30 days is going to give 40, and that's going to help you grow in the game and also grow your portfolio outside of this game. Okay, and the first game is going to be the penalties: shoot, win, and evolve. Okay, absolutely easy. You can see the first division all the way to the 4th, all right, with goals scored, and you can start making yourself in-game money. So you can see, guys, this is a really unique one. And as more characters come out, you know that everyone with their favorite footballer is going to get involved in this. So if this is something that you enjoy, if it's something you can see growing, and it's something that you really do believe can grab the attention of all crypto investors, then it's definitely something you need to get involved with right now. What you got to do is connect your wallet up here, guys. Okay, register for this, and then you will be able to get yourself involved in this ecosystem. There you go, guys. Do me a huge favor, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified. Enjoy this content. If you get involved, let me know in the comments. If you don't, absolutely fine with you. Wait for the next video that comes out. I'll see you there.